Oh my god, bro. Let's just start off this video. New intro. I'm pretty proud of it. Shout out to my boy JC for making the beat on this video. And I hope you guys enjoy it. It's a little bit longer, but I hope you guys enjoy it. So, good morning and good afternoon. Alright, so long story short, before the video starts, damn, bro, I'm like spitting everywhere. If you guys been watching the videos, you guys know that I had a GoPro Hero 9 and it went into like a whole glitching mode. I don't know what it was doing. Batteries wasn't charging. Like that camera was just effed up. But I recently just got a new GoPro, which is the Hero. So whatever we capture today is gonna be on this GoPro. And right now we're on the big camera. But this one is a little bit smaller. It's super nice, bro. I love it. I think it's perfect to do point of views. This is one of the latest ones. This is a 2024 one. I think after this one comes the Black, something like that, or the GoPro 13 Black. This is the Hero. This is like the smaller version. It records in 4K. It's pretty small, bro, and I think it's perfect to do point of views, especially when I'm holding it like this. Perfect. Bro, I don't know, bro. We dead ass, bro. It's crazy, bro. We dead ass hit 1,000 subscribers. And the crazy part is that I got a notification from YouTube saying this is my 8-year anniversary, bro. I'm a little disappointed also because back then when I used to do YouTube, like when I was like really, really young, you know, I stopped because, you know, school and, you know, I needed money, bro. So work, school, you know, and I didn't have time to start recording and stuff. And bro, I don't know. Now we're back, bro. I don't care. The past is the past. This is the future now, bro. Shit is getting crazy. I just want to appreciate every single one of y'all that subscribe and coming back to the channel. I'm going to try to pump out these videos as much as I can. You know, you guys know that I'm a father now. I got a wifey, so little things get in between. And then I'm still tattooing on the side also, so it's like I gotta, you know, tattooing is what really takes up the most amount of energy, because, you know, a tattoo can last you 10 hours, 5, 6, 7. So making these videos are a little bit hard, but listen, bro, I'm trying to pump these videos out for you guys. I appreciate every single one of y'all, and I mean that shit, bro. Like, I never thought we'll be able to get to like 1,000 subscribers in my whole 8 years, bro. Like, it's insane, bro. It's insane. Subscribe, bro. Subscribe, because 95% of y'all are not subscribed, bro. That's crazy. Bro, we're gonna make this channel blow, bro. I know it. Next thing you know, we're in the G80 and not a 330. You feel me? All right. But yeah, let's start on the video. This video is like really no talking. It's just mostly, you know, like a ASMR driving. It's not pretty long because I really want to see how the camera like looks. It's fresh out the box, so I if you guys get it, this thing is like less than $200, bro. Everyone should be getting a GoPro this small, bro. Even though you might want something a little bit more bigger with more settings, but the most you'll get out of this is like a 4K, and then there's like a little bit of other settings. But whatever you guys see today is literally fresh out the box. Like, I haven't even tweaked that. I just put an SD card in it, and yeah, bro, I appreciate you guys. Deuces.
hours later. "11 minutes later."